What's up, boys? It's day it's day 23. It's day 23, and today we're going to be making a reaction speed game. So y'all know those reaction speed games. You click start, and then you wait a bit, and then it shows green, and then you have to click as fast as possible, and then it shows your reaction speed. So that's what we're gonna be trying to do today. So yeah, let's make the files index.html, style.css, script.js. So we're gonna reaction speed game like that. And click on box center of the screen and message text area. Start button place to show the reaction time. Okay, I'm gonna do this on the entire screen, so not um so it's gonna be so we're gonna have a h1. It's gonna be reaction speed test test, and it's gonna be start. So we're gonna give everything a font family of Arial or something. We need to link this, and then oops, I'm watching The Bachelor, my bad. I'm watching the Bulgarian Bachelor. We're gonna continue with that after I'm done here. uh, okay, oops, I clicked this. Okay, so the body, the background color by default is going to be some sort of blue. Going to be some sort of blue light, some sort of light blue, like that. Mm-hmm. So h1 is gonna be color white, and we're gonna have display flex, justify content center, line of center, min height 100 view height to center everything. I'm gonna have this uh, flex direction of column, and then we're gonna give this a font size of maybe 50 pixels so it's bigger. Oops. And then the button is gonna be um the button is gonna be border none, actually be 1 pixel solid white, color is white, background none, and then we're gonna make the padding 10 pixels, 20 pixels, font size 40 pixels, and font weight thin, or actually where the norm lighter. Okay, it's not Wait, let's say 100. Okay. Whoop, cursor, pointer. There we go. So button hover is gonna be um the background color is gonna be white, and the text color is gonna be black. Or maybe it's gonna be this, like this. Okay, what? Okay, no, this. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna give a transition of 0.2 seconds. Background color 0.2 seconds. Color 0.2 seconds. Okay. I'm gonna give us a class of JS start button. Okay, oops. Keep clicking that by mistake. So when we start, okay, so when we start, we have function play game. So uh, document.query selector js start button. You start button, click that add event listener, click listener, click document.query selector js start button dot style dot no dot style dot display equal none, and we're gonna give some sort of red, sort of red, and make some sort of light red. Gonna get this document dot body dot style dot background color equals this. Okay, let's try. Okay, I need to actually connect the script tag, script.js. Okay, it's not working for some reason. It's not working for some reason. Let's check the console. Okay, so oh, I'm not calling play game. Script.js 3. Carry properties of no reading. Add event listener. Mm. Oops, you gotta put the dot there in style. Setter, yeah, again. Document dot query selector h1 dot text content equals weight. Okay. JavaScript set timeout. Set timeout. Set timeout. So JavaScript random number. Multi-random. Now there's a floating point number between 0. Let react countdown equal let's get this and then we're gonna do times 6 I guess, and then set timeout times 1000, and then we're gonna do set timeout the function. I'm gonna have countdown set timeout so we need some type of green, some sort of light green, something like that, maybe a little more darker. You're gonna get this, cut that, document dot body dot background color equals this, h1 document dot query selector h1 equal dot text content equals click. Okay, let's see now this works. Okay, so the background dot style Okay, I want the red, this to be darker. Okay, let's console the log, the countdown, the countdown. Okay, refresh 4,000. Okay, okay, 4,000 again. 3,000, 2, 3. Okay, so I do want this to be slightly lighter. Okay, so how do we handle the click now? So we're gonna do, so after this, we're gonna do let reaction time equal mm, mm, document dot body dot add event listener, add event listener, click. Okay, how the heck do I make it so it waits until the click? Click. Mm, format time in milliseconds. JavaScript. Get milliseconds. Present the object and get milliseconds. Get milliseconds by creating a new because get milliseconds reduce the milliseconds part of the correct time. This straightforward approach makes system down information for developers easy. Time of date dot now. Okay, so let's console the log date dot now. JavaScript date object date. Let's go date. So I think we need to get the date of the click. So let current date equal date dot now, and then okay, I'm gonna do the how to milliseconds JavaScript geeks for geeks. Now dot get milliseconds. Okay, so we're gonna go so we're gonna go date dot now minus current date or something. I don't freaking know. Dot get milliseconds or some milliseconds. Okay, not function. Okay, so I think this works, right? What is missing from this reaction milliseconds logic? What is missing? Here's a code. Never to reset the current date when the box turns green. It's a method the page loads not when the reaction moment actually hits. So do something like this. So that's what I'm getting. time since page load. You must set green data on there exactly when the box turns green when the user is about to click. Click exactly when the box turns green. Strategy for early clicks and then game states doesn't prevent multiple clicks. Doesn't start properly. Yeah, we're gonna add that. Okay, so that's does the millisecond logic work now? Very close, but no, it does not really work yet. The heck? When it clicks, break the logic. At the moment, you get different very quick setup. Multiple event listeners are being added. Every time start burning scripts you run, you start multiple times. You're taking listeners. But what the heck? It's properly. I mean, the game state variable. State variable. Get up on the floor, dancing. then we're gonna do document dot body dot style dot background color equals this one, and then document dot query selector h1 dot text content equals this this gonna put a dollar milliseconds, and we're gonna have another button. We're gonna give it a play again. Got a class just replay button. Style, so JS replay button is gonna be a display none, like that, and then document dot query selector dot JS replay button is gonna dot style dot display equals block. Document dot add event dot query selector dot JS replay button dot add event listener click, and do this. So display equals block and I think that's and then this h1 document dot query selector h1 dot text content equals reaction speed test. Okay, let's see now. Okay, what the frick? Okay, so what is wrong here? What is wrong here? Okay, when we click play again, let's go one by one. Let's go one by one. So, okay. Okay, what the heck is wrong? So we click. Okay, maybe if we get this out of here. Okay, what the heck, bro? Okay, what the heck is happening? Okay. Okay. So, hmm. Hmm. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, why does that show up when its display is none? Okay, so I click, the color doesn't change. The color isn't red. Okay, so okay, we have two contradicting styles, I think. Close the start button. Okay, so let's comment this out. Okay, so if document.body.style.background color background color is equal to this, then we're gonna do this. I think forward. Let's try now. Okay, okay, what the heck? Oops, triple equals. Okay, what the frick? Okay, what is going on? Now there's another problem. When I click here, nothing happens. Animation click console log. Time browse. That's what we're doing. Change the background too early. Too early. There's a minute when the start button is clicked. Background is not turned good. As I set time, so when if runs background certification is false, so click this and there. Or what? It doesn't. It turns to red. So synchronous. The script does not wait for set timeout. Just okay. So just runs this. Maybe we can put this in a while true or some. Okay, nope. How do I make it wait for this to finish? That's not how it works. Now the synchronous. This is to a stereo line dependent on it inside the timeout. I'll control behavior using state solutions, but dependent logic set timeout. If something should only happen after it turns green, we should be inside a callback. Okay, maybe should I put this in here? Okay, wait. Okay, what happened? Okay, okay, so I think we've kind of fixed something. So when we click play again, just play button dot add event listener. Oops, add event. Oops, listener. Click click document dot query selector JS start button dot style dot background dot display equals block document dot query selector h1 dot text content equals um, reaction speed test. Okay, listener user start button. Okay, so let's make a function. Let's make a function restart game with some and document dot query selector h1 dot text content equal reactions speed game document dot query selector dot js replay game replay button dot this dot style dot okay. So no wait, not class list. What we're gonna do is hidden display none like this, and we're gonna add is hidden toggle is hidden class list dot toggle is hidden class list dot toggle is hidden. Okay, let's see now. Okay, W that disappears. Okay. Okay, but where is it? Wait a sec. Why does that happen? Because hmm. Document dot query selector js start button dot class with dot toggle is hidden. Yeah, I think that's it. Not add event listener, click, restart the game. Let's see. Okay, what the frick? Why is my start the game logic not working? Close again, this isn't the stuff version stuff. Okay, so from the previous game round, here's what's going on. You never remove the body click listener. And body every time the game starts, it turns green new run. That's a new click listener. If you run, you start your mind, weapons on reset. The visibility, choose no reset. Increase this blue visual looks have to reset. It exists only inside the start click core issues. UI, but it doesn't reset. It resets you, but it doesn't reset events and game state background timers. Like clicking should have big listen. Because if we're brand button, logic flows text and text. Okay. Okay, actually, to get rid of all of this, how to refresh page on click. Page on click, location reload. Document dot query selector dot js restart button dot add event listener click click. Line 30. Objects just replay. Okay. Okay, guys, so it seems so we have implemented the logic. That's what matters. We have implemented the core game logic. We're gonna style this. We're gonna say text align center. Okay, guys, we did it. So that's gonna be it for today. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on links in the description, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.